Hi everyone, this is Erin from Sandpaper Road, and today I'm going to change my cover of my desktop. And I ordered some new covers from Amazon. They just came, and I thought I'd open them up and see what they're like. I know exactly what I want, and let me show you what I have now before I open the box. I have not, the box is still sealed, so I have not opened it yet, but I do know what's in there. What I currently have as my setup is I have 3 Ranger heat resistant craft mats that I bought with coupons years ago. I saved up, remember the days when you could use a 40% off coupon at your big box store and on anything. So I bought them one by one, and as you can see, actually they've been flipped over already once. So as you can see, they are well loved, and I just used packing tape and I packing taped them together, and they've been fantastic. I have no complaints. You can use a hot glue gun directly on this mat. I can use my undo adhesive remover. I can spray ink, alcohol ink, whatever it is you use. And for the years that I have had them, which is probably going on like 6-7 years, this is still as good as they look. You always see them in my videos, and I think they don't look too bad, but they are getting a little bit worn, and it's a new year, and so it's a new time and a new year to give something new a try. And I thought that I would see what we can get here from Amazon, and let's just take a look and see. Oh goodness, why why this in this huge box? All right, well, I thought I was supposed to get 3. Well, let's just see here. I'm not quite sure what's going on. All right, Teflon sheet for heat. I know I got 2 different items in 2 different colors, so we'll see. White. I got a white and I got a white. And then I got but I ordered 3. Oh, because this one has 3 inside it. That's why. Oh, okay. 3-pack Teflon sheet for heat press, 16 by 20 inch set of 3 craft mat. All right, and this one is the same thing, which I wanted in the same size, but I could not get them. And so what is this? Oh, set of 3. Oh, that's why. But they are white Teflon sheets. So I wanted to compare and see if I could get the same exact thing, but from Amazon and a little bit less expensive. So this is a 3-pack. Let's see what we get. Oh my goodness. All right, let me put the packaging off to the side. I am very interested in this. I really am. That's a glare, so let's put that over there. Let's start with this, what we have. Yeah, I'm extremely interested to see how this goes. It looks like I'm going to need my scissors. Whoops. Okay, just to give that a start here. Oh. All right, so okay, now let me do the best I can to describe for you. This is the Ranger. When I touch it, first of all, when you look at it, it's got a line, like some, like lines through it. I don't know the word for it. Like a grain, I almost want to say. But it's slick to the touch. Like, it feels glossy. This is the Ranger one that I've had, and it feels glossy on both sides. Now, this is the one that I just opened. What is this? Oh, just some ink. This also has that grid in it, but I will say that I can almost feel the grid in it, but very slightly. You hear that sound? How? And this one, I suppose it's the same, isn't it? Okay, well, it feels a little bit different, but not that much different. Oh, did I make that mark in the thing? Now I'm going to have to see about how this will do with a hot glue gun. As a matter of fact, I think I will plug in a hot glue gun and see. What is the size here of these? It's bigger. So the Ranger one, can you see a full one here? Let me try to zoom out some. There we go, just a smidge. Here's the Ranger one. Whoops. And here's the new one I ordered. So you can see that it's bigger. Probably by like about 2 inches longer this way. And then this way, yeah. Yeah, it is bigger. So if I do this to cover my table instead, this will cover clear up to the top instead of leaving that gap. Or I could do it this way, leave the gap and go clear across. Yeah, that's pretty nice. I need to do a test and see if it'll withstand hot glue. Because really that's the main thing, is can it withstand hot glue? That's the main thing for me, I say. All right, well, let me open the other ones. I'm really interested in the white ones. So let me see what they look like here. And then I'll plug in my hot glue gun and we'll go from there. What is going on? Oh, wow. Oh, it's the same material. Yeah. It's the same as this with that same feel. It is smaller. How much smaller? Well, that's why I ordered 2 packs, because I knew it was going to be smaller. So I'd have to go this way. Ooh, it's even smaller than the Ranger one. The white is smaller than the Ranger one. But I could go like this maybe and do it this way. Having a white background would be so nice. For crafting and filming and stuff. The feel of it is this, it's thinner in feel than the Ranger, and does not have a glossy feel, but I can feel the little lines in it. So, like I said, I wonder what would happen if I wrote, if I'd be able to see on it like through a thin cardstock or something. Well, let me plug in my hot glue gun and let's see what we can do with, let's see how it withstands some hot glue. This is my glue gun, and I want to explain to you why this matters to me, because I do a lot of hot gluing, especially when I make paper flowers and embellishments, mixed media, stuff like that. So this, let me put the box right here for the white one and the box right here for this new one. And underneath, this part right here in the middle is the Ranger one. This is the one I've been using for years, okay? And I want you to see that I can glue right down onto the surface. And this is a very big deal for me. And all this time I have been able to glue on the surface. Oh, I just realized now that you probably can't see that very well. But the glue, I'm trying not to touch it right away so I don't burn my hands. In the meantime, let me try a little dabble of glue right here on the surface of the white one, and a dabble of glue on the surface of the tan one. And then we should be able to get a good range here. This is just, I don't even have anything to say about the glue gun. It's just my glue gun. I've had it forever. So, okay. And with the Ranger one, obviously still warm to the touch. When it dries solid, and it's no problem getting this off, and you can't even tell it was there. Okay. That's what I am really looking for, because anything that's Teflon, I already know that, you know, if I do a spray ink or something, well, I suppose I could try it, but yeah, I'll try that. But this was the thing that I'm most concerned about. So now we're going to see how it comes off of the white. Oh, wow. Oh, it does. It comes right up. Okay, great. Good. Yeah, it came right up. How about over here? It's not, let me tell you what, the reason why it's acting like this is because I didn't let it dry all the way. I'm impatient, because I'll be able to tell in a second if it's, oh yeah, it does come right up. Wow. Great. Okay. So it did the glue gun test. That is most important to me. Let me get some spray ink and see what I can do here. What is something we can see? Yeah, I'll go ahead and try. And let me get a microfiber cloth here. All right, so I have the Dragon's Blood Shimmering Bliss. Probably if I was a smart person. This has mica in it. Let me see if I have something by Ranger. No, I want to just use that because this is what I use a lot of. And Ranger stuff is dye-based, so basically it will come up. It's the stuff that has a little bit more pigment in it or mica in it that tends to be an issue. So now, just to be fair, okay, so just so you can see, I already know how it performs on the craft mat, but you might not be able to know that, so on the one I've had. So this is that's by Technique Junkies, and this is just a microfiber cloth I use in my craft area. And let's take this up and, oh yeah, no kidding. And of course on my Ranger one, whoa, dropped my hot glue gun on the ground. Okay. And it performs like that. Let's get this one up here. Oh, wow. Now see, the white one I was nervous about because I thought to myself, let me get a little water on that. Because I thought, do I really want a white one? Because once I start spraying things like red and blue and things like that, do I really want it? But I'm here to say, yeah, I just sprayed that red. I just sprayed this, the middle red, and I just sprayed this red. Huh. Well, that's pretty much all I do. I mean, I don't do anything more intense than hot gluing directly on the surface and spray inking bright red directly on the surface. Nothing I do is more intense than that. So everything else is, yeah, less than that. Sold. I'm really liking the white for the surface of a camera. I think from a camera standpoint, the white is going to be really, really good. So sold. So I highly recommend. This was not sent to me. I bought these with my own money, and just because I needed a new craft surface. But I will put affiliate links in the description box below, and you won't pay any extra when you use Sandpaper Road's affiliate links. It's just a nice way to help support Sandpaper Road. I earn a small commission just by recommending a product to you through that specific link, but nothing changes for you whether you use that link or find it on your own. So I really am going to encourage you that if you want either one of these two designs or sizes of the white or the tan, or the smaller size, this is the 12 by 16, you get a set of 3 in one box. And I'm pretty sure that the white was, well, both of these, the set of 3 is under $8. Like this box of 3 was under $8. This box of 3 was this. 3 of them total in one box was under $8. That's what made me want to try it. It was cheap enough for me to try. And if you don't like it, you can always send it back to Amazon. And it's seriously nothing against Ranger because I'm a big fan of the craft mat. But I just wanted to give this a try, and I'm pleasantly surprised and pleased. So check it out for yourself. Thanks for watching this video. There will be big changes coming up in Sandpaper Road, incidentally, in the very near future, depending on when you're watching this video. So please make sure that you're a subscriber because I'll be sharing posts and things like that right here on YouTube. And you definitely want to be a subscriber so you get notified. And don't forget to ring this little bell shaped icon that's down in the corner so you get all the notifications. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.